Flagstaff, Arizona. And he'll tell you a story if you let him. Not everything happened as he tells it, but the truth is still somewhere deep inside. He'll tell you that he fought in World War II, but you can see that he isn't old enough. The things he'll tell you about really happened to his father or an uncle or a friend. It's not important that the facts are in order. He's a storyteller, not a reporter, and he's one of the slowly fading artists, dying out in the face of movies and TV. He's just a guy at a bar in the middle